Look at this new 2011 Toyota Tundra 4-wheel drive truck. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 13 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 17 on the highway. This Tundra 4-wheel drive truck boasts a 5.7-liter engine, and has an automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the cold weather package, power heated mirrors, bed liner, 50 state emissions and the tow package. Call 866-655-8722 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.